Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. If you are using YouTube and you're facing the issue that your YouTube app is not showing comments, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find an connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to simply open your app store here, go for search, and you have to search for YouTube app, and you must have to update your app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating you must have to go back and you have to retrack if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to make a forced restart your iPhone or your Android phone to fix minor glitches. Not rule that you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, it might be that there will be any bug or any malware. Enter your YouTube app. Not to fix that, you have to simply open your settings app, then go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for YouTube app, and you have to try to offload your app. So if you're using an Android phone, you must have to clear app cache, and after offloading you have to reinstall apps on your iPhone, or you can also completely uninstall or delete your YouTube app. And after that, you have to reinstall that, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your YouTube app, it will be fixed in this tab and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.